Hey everyone, what's up? I'm gonna show you how to make your PDFs really small. You could use this for submissions or anything else. Have one folder, make sure you have all your images saved in that folder, and then open up an Adobe Illustrator file, and then I want you to select under Properties, Edit Artboard. That's where you can hit Shift, Command or Option, drag across, and then you create a duplicate. On the second one, key in maybe week 1 plus the title of your assignment. Go back to Properties, Edit Artwork, and create as many canvases as you want for your submission. At this point, you may want to change the heading or the title of each canvas. Next up, import all your images into this Adobe Illustrator document. You lay out everything nicely. Remember to make all your scans really clear, crisp, and sharp. No shadows, so it reads or it registers well. You may want to title your entire document. Let's call this Submission. And of course, add your name too, so if the file goes missing, whoever picks it up knows what it's for. Next, you may want to label each and every single one. Your page may have multiple artworks. I encourage you to label all of them so it's clear what it is. Next up, you want to save your document real quick, and then select all the documents including the typeform so that you can outline the text. Finally, you hit to text and then create outline. So your text becomes no more a vector text, but it becomes a complete vector shape. And then you head over to save it. So head down to Adobe PDF and hit save. This pop-up box appears. Go to smallest file size, and this will ensure that your file size is the smallest ever that can be created. And just to double check, this PDF that you just created is 1 megabyte only. I'm sure you will have a much larger file, but because this is just a quick demo, it's just to show you how you can reduce the size of each folder. Go to the main image folder, check out the size. I'm gonna open up info right there. It says 40 megabytes, so I have brought down the file size from 40 megabytes to just a 1 megabyte PDF. And this is how you bring down the size of all your PDF files. Don't forget that last step there, save to smallest file. Hope this helps. Happy submission.